transformation. Giving nothing, then expect to live your very life. Give it up, gets too much, and it interferes with other close relations. Give it up, yeah. Give it up and leave your ever left behind. Heading in a new direction, up to a new dimension. Set your sights ahead, remember what your mama said. Up to a new ascension, leave the rest behind. Faith will help you through tensions that you feel inside your mind. Well, if you try, set some time, show compassion with the people of this nation. None is nothing, none is nothing when you know you're dead and gone. So give it up when it gets too much, when it interferes with one of God's creations. Give it up, yeah. Give it up and leave your other life behind. In a new direction, up to a new dimension. Set your sights ahead, remember what your mama said. Up to a new ascension, leave the rest behind. Faith will help you through tensions that you feel inside your mind. Direction, up to a new dimension. Set your sights ahead, remember what your mama said. Up to a new ascension, leave the rest behind. Faith will help you through tensions that you feel inside. In a new direction, up to a new dimension. Set your sights ahead, remember what your mama said. Up to a new ascension.